Hi, I'm Łukasz and welcome back. So far we explored Edgecore access and aggregation switches from 1G to series AS4625 on the Trident3X2 and more powerful AS4630 on the Trident3X3. Up to 10G, first of the aggregation one, call it AS5835. But today we are going even faster. Say hello to Edgecore DCS203, also better known as AS7326-56X. This is a compact 1U top-of-the-rack switch with 48x25G ports and 100G uplinks. We have 8 of them. It's a real powerhouse built for modern high-performance data centers. Whatever you are running, 10G, 25G, 40G, or 100G, this switch handles it all. Let's unbox it and take a look. Here is what you will get with the DCS203. Of course, the switch itself, one rack unit design, solid, well-built rack mounting kits, the standard. This is what is also coming inside the box. You have the front and the rear. Depends on your power version. You are either getting the AC power cable, so the DC one. If it is DC one, then of course, additionally, you are getting the grounding cable, the console cable. You are also getting those little plastic covers to cover unused ports. Additionally, there is some two documents like the safety guides and the regulation. But what is really good to mention as an optional accessory, it is that slide array mounting kit. It's quite heavy, very solid. So you know that construction very well from the server world. It's fully toolless design, so you are just connecting that on the left and right part of your switch. And by click, you can install the switch into your rack and have a very nice front or rear access, depends on your setup. Let's go to the hardware overview. So on the front panel, we have 48x25G ports, SFP28. You can change that speed from 25G to 10G or even 1G. But please have in mind that if you will have a need to use any of those ports as the 10G, then the speed change is applying to the group of the 12 ports. Additionally, we do have uplinks interfaces, 100G, exactly 8 of them. And you can change the speed from 100G to the 40G. You can split them to 4x25G to 4x10G. You know that quite well. Additionally, we do have some 210G management ports, USB and RJ45 as a console. And on the rear panel, maybe you are not able to see that quite well at the moment, but we will add some more details in the post-production. It is, like always, dual hot-swappable design, either AC or DC, based on your requirements. We have hot-swappable and redundant fans, 5+1, real accessible, no downtime needed for service chassis. As you can see, it's very compact, one rack units. Depth could be a little bit smaller, but still, I would say like it is very solid data center type of the design. We have 536 millimeters. So maybe not the smallest, but very solid. Weight is around 10 kilo. So I would say like really reliable. And airflow, what to mention, Edgecore with most of the design is able to cool the system on the both way in the traditional way. So either front to back or back to front. Which type you have in your hands, you can read on the colors of the power supply of the fans itself. Yeah, there are either coming as the blue one or the red one. Inside the switch, so that is the most important. So the switch is powered by the Broadcom Trident3X7 switch in silicon. From the control plane, we have Intel Xeon D1518. This is the quad-core CPU. We have 2 times 8 GB of the RAM, DDR4. We have 64 GB of the M2 SSD, 32 meg of the buffer, 2 TB of the switching capability, and 2 billions of the packets per second. The switch comes with ONIE open network installer environment. Of course, you know, our channel is about the open networking, so this is not a surprise. And you can get it with the pre-installed and supported multiple NOS options like the Sony coming from Broadcom or the community. You can get an IP Infusion and the OcNOS. You can get it with Pica8 and PicOS, CamGenie, Arcus, whatever, as you will say, as you need. Edgecore is providing the widest network operation system matrix in our industry. And just look for that OCP accepted badge. So if you will go to the specification, you will see that that model being certified and got a special OCP accepted badge. We will try to show it maybe here or there. That means that it meets Open Compute Project standards for open design, true interoperability, and vendor neutral freedom. So no locking, no proprietary, traps, just a full open platform built for engineers who want a full control. Why Trident3 X7? So let's talk about what sets this model apart. Many 25G switches run on Trident3 X5, but that specific model is coming with X7, and that makes a big difference. Let me tell you. So performance, Trident3 X5 tops out around 1.6 tera, where the Trident3 X7 deliver up to 2.4 tera. So you won't hit a beckonness under that full load. Basically, same X7 other vendors are using for full 100G design, so 32 times 100G, about which Sebastian will tell you in the next video. So, speaking about the buffers and scalability, simply X7 bring you larger buffer, which helps you handle busty traffic, more MAC entries, VLANs routes, and VXLAN tunnels supported. From the uplinks perspective, some competitors offer those similar 25G designs with only 6 times 100G uplinks, where Edgecore give you the full 8 times 100G. So with breakout options, there is no compromise. And here is the real proof. We already deploy almost 800 units so far as today, and another 300 is in our pipeline just this year. It really proves a lot. Here is a quick recap of that specific hardware. This is a 25G design with 48 times port SFP28. We have 8 times 100G uplinks. I told you that some of the competitors have similar design with only 6. It's powered by Broadcom Trident3 X7, and you know that this is a big difference comparing to the X5, which Edgecore is normally using with the 10G designs. Control plane is powerful. It's Intel Xeon. We have 2 terabytes of the switching, 2 terabits of the forwarding. It's a toolless design with that optional toolless slide right mounting kits. It could be powered by your favorite software. As I say, it could be Sony, it could be OcNOS, it could be PicOS. Really, I would say that this is the model with the widest choices. It's simply ideal for your 25G top of the rack. It could be your spiny fabrics, dense visualizations, cloud native DCs. The switch comes with standard 3 years Edgecore warranty, so call it back to the base. But if you would like to either extend that warranty, go to 4, 5, and even beyond, or upgrade it with the advanced replacement, check our open to support services with SmartCare Advances, and you can get that all our storedisk.com. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video helped you. Drop your comments, drop your questions. I will try to answer. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are into open networking, same as we, and see you in the next one. Thank you.